it's Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today I have such a fun recipe for you, big batch margaritas. Every party needs that perfect cocktail, especially in the summer, and these pitcher margaritas are just that recipe. Everyone can make a margarita here, a margarita there, but making big batch margaritas is a little bit more detailed than you might think. We have all the tips and tricks. We're gonna make this party special. We're gonna start with our lime juice. We're gonna use about 1.5 cups of lime juice. I've already squeezed quite a few limes, but we have about 2 more to go. You can use any juicer. You don't have to buy anything expensive for this recipe, but I do hope you use fresh lime juice. So to get about a 1/4 cup more, it's about 1.5 limes. Fresh lime juice is so important when making margaritas. I don't wanna hear about anyone using margarita mix. That's not allowed. Okay. 1.5 cups of lime juice goes straight into the pitcher, and that's the base for our margarita. And then we're actually gonna do 3 cups of tequila, because this is a strong recipe. This party is really happening. Then we're gonna do 1.5 cups of triple sec or Cointreau. And if you're using a small bottle, it's just the right amount. This gives that fruity flavor while still keeping things classic. For sweetness, we're gonna use Agave Nectar, which is actually a lighter way to sweeten versus sugar or any other sweetener that you might like. Agave Nectar is really tasty in margaritas and any cocktails actually, so I hope you give it a try. And that's it. We're just gonna stir and get ready for our party. So at this point, you're ready to pop this in the fridge and wait for guests to arrive. Or if you're ready to serve and get the party started, you can do that too. Just give it a nice little stir. We're gonna get our glasses ready for this cocktail. I always use a lime wedge to salt my glasses. It's the easiest way to do it rather than dipping them. So you just go around the edge and then get them nice and covered in salt. I like a coarse sea salt for this, and I like salt a lot, so I like a lot of salt on my margaritas. Okay, we're gonna get some ice in our glasses. And then we're also gonna put ice in our cocktail shaker. Ice in the cocktail shaker is very important because this is a strong margarita. It's not sweet. We want the water to dilute the liquid just a little bit and also makes things a little frothy and extra fresh and delicious. It's a nice touch for your guests. So we put ice directly in the cocktail shaker. You wanna fill it about 3/4 of the way full. And then pour your margarita in and just cover the ice. And then you've got to give it a good shake. Use a little muscle, which I don't have, but I'll do my best. You want to shake it as much as you can. Really get it nice and frothy. I think we're ready to serve. Okay. We are ready to party. Perfect. Strong, just like I like it. My workday is done. Head over to thecookierookie.com for the full recipe.